Hi! Let's learn math together using fun objects. See? We can count them all. Ready to count with me? Let's start with 1 apple. Now, 2 bananas. And 3 oranges. 1, 2, 3. Great job counting. Math on my tablet. 2 plus 3 equals 5. And 3 is next. Add them together and you get 5. Math is fun. You can do it too. Try another one.
Count the dinosaurs. Now add the ducks. That makes 17.
7 dinosaurs plus 10 ducks equals count the dinosaurs. Now add the ducks. That makes 17. 6 squares plus 11 triangles equals 17. Different shapes, same total. 4 circles plus 5 ducks equals 9. Count them all together. Let's count them all together. 9. Okay, let's try this one. 4 circles plus 5 ducks. Let's see how many that is all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9! It's 9! Different shapes, but when we add them, the total is still 17. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares plus 11 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shapes, but when we add them, the total is still 17. Different shapes, but when we add them, the total is still 17. We start with 10, take away 3, now we have 7 left. Two times 3 equals 6. Four times 2 equals 8. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 3 equals 9. Let's add these numbers. 6 plus 5 equals 11. 6 dinosaurs and 5 ducks. Together they make 11. Yay, we did it! Let's solve this together. 8 plus 2 equals 10. See? 8 blocks here, plus 2 more here. Together, they make 10. Great job! Hi, let's do the subtraction. We start with 9 cute ducks. We take away 4 of them. And we're left with 5. Hi, let's do the subtraction. We start with 9 cute ducks. We take away 4 of them. And we're left with 5. Let's see 4 times 3. 4 groups of 3 equals 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Let's see. 2 times 5. That's 2 groups of 5 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And another 5. So 2 times 5 equals 10 ducks. Let's add 3 dinosaurs and 2 ducks. 3 dinosaurs plus 2 ducks equals 5. So 3 plus 2 equals 5. You did amazing today. Okay, let's practice. 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10! The answer is 10. Let's see. Awesome! 5 plus 5 equals 10. See you next time for more math fun. Bye!